A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So children, open your English textbook page number 48. Yes children, so today we will recite or learn a poem called Homes. Okay children, today we will start with our new poem, that is Homes. Okay children, so all of you know, yes, what is meant by home? Yes, home is a place where we live. Yes, we feel that our home is best home. Yes, children. So, which is now, children, let's move to the poem. Okay, so here the title of this poem is Homes. Yes, children, the title of this poem is Homes. So, children, before moving to the poem, let's do warm-up activity. Okay, so look at in this warm-up box. Yes, here look at in this warm-up box. Which is your favorite place in your home? Speak about it in class. So children, you have to tell me that which is your favorite place in your home? Yes, आपके घर पे एक ऐसी जगह जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है वो आपको मुझे बतानी है. You can also tell to your parents. Yes, which is your favorite place in your home, like kitchen, bedroom, dining room, yes, then study room. Yes, so there are so many places. Yes, so here you have to tell me which is your favorite place in your home. Okay, so we all feel that our home is best, isn't it children? Yes, so children, now let's move to the poem. Okay, first we will read this poem. Okay, so children, I will read this poem. Repeat after me and put your finger on the line where I am reading. Is that clear? Okay, so children, now come to the page number 48. Yes, Homes. So children, put your finger on the line where I am reading. I might have lived inside a shell. I might have lived inside a shell if I had been a snail, or in a great white tossing sea if I had been a whale, or in a noisy busy hive if I had been a bee, or a bunny in a burrow eating lettuce for my tea. I might have lived inside a shell if I had been a snail, or in a great white tossing sea if I had been a whale, or in a noisy busy hive if I had been a bee, or a bunny in a burrow eating lettuce for my tea. I might have had a kennel home if I had been a dog, or a mud hole in a river bank if I had been a frog. I might have been a tiny bird and lived inside a nest. But oh, I'm glad I'm just a child. I think my home is best. Yes, children. So let's once again read this poem. Okay. I might have lived inside a shell if I had been a snail, or in a great white tossing sea if I had been a whale, or in a noisy busy hive if I had been a bee, or a bunny in a burrow eating lettuce for my tea. I might have had a kennel home if I had been a dog, or a mud hole in a river bank if I had been a frog. I might have been a tiny bird and lived inside a nest. But oh, I'm glad I'm just a child. I think my home is the best. Yes, children. So this is a poem. Yes. So read this poem 5 times and write this 2 times. Okay, children. So now let's learn some new words and its meaning. Okay. So children, here look at in this box. Shell. So here children, what is mean by shell? What is mean by shell, children? Yes, shell means the hard outer covering of an animal. The hard outer covering of an animal. Here you can find shell. Yes, let's find out shell in this picture. Yes, see here, this is shell. Yes, what is meant by shell, children? The hard outer covering of an animal is called shell. Is that clear? Okay, now come to the next one, tossing. Yes, tossing means moving up and back. Here movement of sea. Yes, here you can see, look at in this picture, children. Here you can see moving up and back, here movement of a sea. So this is called a tossing. यस, तो बच्चों हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हो शेल किसे कहते हैं? यस, जो एक आउटर जो हार्ड पार्ट होता है, जो कवरिंग, जो एनिमल को यहाँ पे कवर करता है. यस, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड शेल. देन व्हाट इज मीन बाय टॉसिंग? टॉसिंग मीन्स जो ये लहरें आप देख सकते हो मूविंग अप एंड बैक, मूवमेंट ऑफ अ सी आर कॉल्ड टॉसिंग, लहरें. ओके, देन बैंक. व्हाट इज मीन बाय बैंक? हियर लैंड अलोंग द साइड्स ऑफ अ रिवर. Yes, here bank means what, children? Land along the sides of a river. Here you can see, children. Yes, here you can see. Yes, so children, now see this picture. Okay, so here tell me. So children, a snail lives in a shell. Here we can see a snail is there. Yes, then wait, here we can see a picture of a snail. Here we can see, children, a picture of a snail. Yes, so children, here we can see a picture of a snail. So where snail lives? Yes, children, snails lives in a शेल. इज दैट क्लियर? तो बच्चों जो ये स्नेल है वो कहाँ पे रहता है? एक शेल में रहता है. यस, सो अ स्नेल लिव्स इन अ शेल. देन अ व्हेल. वेयर अ व्हेल लिव्स? वी ऑल नो दैट अ व्हेल लिव्स इन अ सी. इजंट इट, चिल्ड्रन? सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो जो स्नेल है वो कहाँ पे रहता है बच्चों? वो एक शेल में रहता है. देन व्हेल कहाँ पे रहता है? व्हेल सी में रहता है. यस, समुद्र में रहता है. यस, देन अ बी. बी मीन्स शहद की मक्खी. यस चिल्ड्रन, सो वेयर अ बी लिव्स? यस चिल्ड्रन, अ बी लिव्स इन अ हाइव. हाइव मीन्स मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. ओके चिल्ड्रन, हाइव मीन्स व्हाट चिल्ड्रन? हाइव मीन्स मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. ओके, so here a snail lives in a shell and a whale lives in a sea and then मधुमक्खी का जो बी होते हैं, बी मीन्स व्हाट चिल्ड्रन? बी मीन्स मधुमक्खी, जैसे कि हम शहद की मक्खी बुलाते हैं. यस, सो मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. हाइव किसे कहते हैं? व्हाट इज मीन बाय हाइव? हाइव मीन्स हियर हाइव, HIVE, हाइव मीन्स मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. यस, इज दैट क्लियर? Then shell means the hard outer cover of an animal. Tossing means what? Tossing means moving up and back, here movement of a sea. Yes, तो बच्चों जो स्नेल है वो कहाँ पे रहता है? जो स्नेल है वो एक शेल में रहता है और जो व्हेल है वो सी में रहती है. Yes, so a whale lives in a sea and a snail lives in a shell and a bee lives in a hive. Hive means शहद का छत्ता. Then a bunny lives in a burrow. A bunny lives in a burrow. Yes children, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. Yes, a bunny lives in a burrow. Yes, then a bunny lives in a burrow. Then a frog lives in a mud hole. Yes, frog means what children? Frog means mendak. Yes, a frog lives in a mud hole. Yes, a bunny lives in a burrow. Here you can see. Yes, a bunny lives in a burrow. A frog lives in a mud hole. Yes, and a bird lives in a nest. Yes, तो बच्चों जो बर्ड्स हैं वो कहाँ पे रहते हैं? नेस्ट में रहते हैं. Then frog एक क्या करता है, जो मड के होल में रहता है, जो मिट्टी का एक जो मड का जो होल होता है, उस मड होल में क्या रहते हैं, फ्रॉग रहते हैं। और फिर बर्ड्स कहाँ पे रहते हैं बच्चों, बर्ड्स नेस्ट में रहते हैं। नेस्ट मीन्स व्हाट, नेस्ट मीन्स एस घोंसला। Yes children, nest means what, घोंसला। Yes, so is that clear children, that a snail lives in a shell, and a whale lives in a sea, and a bee lives in a hive, and a bunny lives in a burrow, and a frog lives in a mud hole, and bird lives in a nest. Yes, okay, so children, then where we lives in a homes, isn't it children? We lives in a homes. So here children, the speaker is a child. Okay, the speaker is a child. So children, in the next class we will discuss this poem. Okay, we will learn this poem. So children, till then what you have to do, you have to underline these difficult words and you have to write its meaning in both languages. Okay, so children, the next part of this poem we will continue in our next class. Okay, till then stay home, stay safe. Thank you, bye bye.